Hey everybody, I figured I'd do an update. It's been a little while on the all Mopar group build. I got quite a bit of it done. There's only a little bit left. Figured I'd give you an update before it gets all glued together. There's a few things that I got. A whole bunch of... I put a lot of detail, try to get a lot of detail in this interior. So I got the wood grain, I got the gauges. I don't have gauge decals for that. I got the wood grain on the center console, and got a two-tone gray and black, so it's like a gray insert. Got the wood trim on the sides, got the chrome on there. Did the dash and the center console glossy. I probably should do back here glossy, but I'm going to leave it like that. It looks actually really cool to the body being flat. I got the steering wheel in there with a wood trim handle. So there's the interior. Motor, I still got a lot of work to do on it. I still got to do washes on it and stuff to give it the realistic look. But right now, this is where it's at. It looks very toyish right now. Bright orange. No details. Bright chrome. It's still loose in here. I did glue the drive shaft, I guess, on both ends, but I only did it on the motor. For some reason I was sticking on that, so. But once I do the weathering on it, it'll look a lot better. There's the details I got underneath. Same, I still got to do a lot of weathering on it. It'll look good once it's done. I'm kind of treating this car like the guy had it completely sprayed. So it's kind of like a restore. Since it ain't a factory color, the one that had that overspray look. So there's that. This, I gotta paint the filter color and put that decal on the top, but I gotta go around and paint that filter. I got the flat black on there. I was trying to let that dry real good before I put more paint on it. So that's almost there. And now the body. I just painted the hood with the flat black. And I got this just sitting in there with some poster tack. It's going to be a pretty cool looking front end. I got the wash in the grill. I just got to put the headlights on. I'll have to paint these flat black. So there's that. I've been kind of working on a bunch of other projects at the same time. So this one's kind of been in and out. It's a nice thing about no deadlines. So that's all on that, and I'll see you guys later.